Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Prithvi. The question is, how do I know what words or sentences I should skip while reading RC passages? So when you read an RC passage, yes, you skim through some data and you read some data faster. You some read some data slow, which is always there. Good reading will always vary the space when you speed when you read. Now, how to know where do I go fast and where do I go slow? Now, understand that a good way of reading and a good way of improving a technique of reading is start reading what you enjoy. For example, if you're reading a novel or a storybook, when you read, you realize that what part is important for a story, what part is not important for a story. You automatically tend to go slow when you don't understand some part which is very important. You tend to go fast when you feel, oh, its detail is not very important, let me go ahead. It's like when you fast forward a movie, etc. Same with a reading of a passage. When there is a lot of detailing which is involved, it normally means things are not important. Skim through it. Don't go into detail. Because the moment you go into detail, what happens? You first of all waste your time on a detail and it doesn't add value to a central idea. Glance through it, read fast. I'm not saying completely skip it, but just read fast and go through it. Anything which is very important, you feel is important, read slowly. For example, normally the first para of a RCs are normally important. First para. And the last para are normally important because that's where the central idea is, either the first or the last para, normally. Also, when you read a bigger passages, the first line is important, maybe the last line, the middle part may not be very important. So that as when you read more and more, you get to know which part has importance, which part is not important, and then accordingly vary your speed. But mainly comes to practice. It mainly comes with understanding the author's perspective as to what is he talking about, and also mainly comes from reading actively. So when you read, you keep on questioning the author in terms of do you agree with what he says, do you not agree with what you say, and from that you come to know that what actually is important, what actually is not. Yes, so do that, keep practicing, try to keep varying your pace, and over a period of time, you will realize what is important, what is not. Hope that helps. Thank you.